right, check this out. If you have a pump, a filter pump, this is an option for you guys. You ever want to heat up your pool? I'm going to show you how. What we're going to have to do is cap some of the options off, all right, in order to set up our new system, all right? And we're going to elevate it too. All right, here's the entire unit. Now it weighs about 24 to 30 pounds. It has two grips here, so you can pick it up. Now, if you notice, I ended up elevating it off the ground at least an inch with the bricks I have. Now, I'm going to demonstrate a couple things. Water in, all right? This is coming in and this is going out. Warm water is going to come out through here. Cold water is going to come out through from the filter to here. You get a couple options here that you guys can see. Adapters to make sure you have this tied down. I like these adapters. They're pretty simple to set up. We're going to set one up in one area here so we can make sure we tie it down on both sides, all right? All right, for this option, we're going to thread these, all right? And make sure they have the washers in there. Put these two out, all right? These are the out. Make sure they're nice and tight. You can even use a tool if you want. I'm just going to hand tie them. Now, from this option, we're going to put this option in here, all right? That's how it goes. But before you do that, you got to make sure you put these in here in place. So we're going to set this up. That's in place, and then we're going to tie these up. All right, we're going to shorten up the going out in this valve here. So from here, we're going to go in. This is the hot water that's going to go out. And I already have the washer in here, so I don't have to worry about an extra washer. Here's the difficult part. We might have some water spillage, but that's okay. This is elevated. Make sure that the wire's doesn't get wet. I unlocked this, completely locked it. So there is water in here. All right, we're ready to turn everything on. Right now it's at 76. Right now it shows 76. So it's properly working right now. I'm gonna show you. So right now we're at 78 right now. It's gonna heat up the water. I feel it on. No leakage. Everything's like, it seems like it's working properly. To come in, going to the filter, going into the actual pump itself, and going back out. So we are really good right now. There's no leaks whatsoever. This is water from earlier, but look at that, beautiful. And then of course, I'm going to show you a couple things you can do right here. On the menu, you could change the actual heater. You can increase the heat or you can lower the heat. Set up the Wi-Fi, power and the up arrow at the same time, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There it is. We see it. Now let's find it in our app. All right, once I did that double touch on the actual for 3 seconds and the internet came up, you can see it automatically discover. Right now it's doing the updates, so we're gonna wait for it so we can remote into it. We got the app set up already. Right now we're gonna get it all the way to 81 degrees, and right now it's minus or plus. You could set up your heating modes, your power modes, your settings, your timers, pretty much anything you want to set up in here. You can set this up. It did not slow down the system with the water pump. It's actually working with it instead of against it. On the actual system, it currently shows 78, all right? So we're trying to try to get it to 81. And when the actual water passes by the system, it gets a reading of the temperature, so which is a great thing. So overall, it was very simple for me to set up because I already had everything set up prior to the setting up this. I had the bricks and I had the extra line. Now, when I say extra line, you are going to require a line. Now, make it as long as you want. It's up to you, but the longer it is, the harder it is to push the water out. So I keep everything pretty much set up nearby and try not to get in the way of anybody. Now, this part right here has to be open for airflow. The air is coming out, and it's cold air when it's coming out. The system itself can be shut off with the power here, holding down the power. And if you guys can see, it says 78 because that's currently what we are running at right now. The water is 78, but it's set to set up to 81. Color coordination is very simple. Hot, red, blue is cold. And then connection. You are going to need power. the actual power also has a reset button here in case you trigger something or overpower the system. Now this system here is going to run about a couple hours. You can set up your timer if you want with the app, or you can do it manually through the system in here. Now if you guys can see, my water pump is running and it's not slowing down the pump itself. It's actually running pretty good. Significant water passing through, and we're gonna see a little warm in a bit right now, and I already feel a little tiny warm coming out, so the temperature is gonna warm up. But overall, if you guys are looking for a great system like this to heat up your above ground pools, this is it.